From the early days of the Octagon to the modern era, the UFC belt has undergone several transformations. We'll take a walk through time and see how these belts have changed over the years. In 2001, the UFC entered a new era of ownership under Zuffa. With this change came a major redesign in the championship belt. Known to many as the classic UFC belt, this featured a more modern look with a gold-plated centerpiece, side plates, and a larger, more refined design overall. This belt would become synonymous with the legends of the sport. Fighters like Chuck Liddell, Anderson Silva, and George St. Pierre lifted this belt in victory, cementing their legacies in the sport forever. Each belt is adorned with diamonds and rubies. A diamond is placed on the belt when a fighter wins a UFC championship for the first time. For example, when a fighter first wins the title, their belt will be adorned with a diamond. With each subsequent successful title defense, rubies are added to the belt. The UFC held its first event in 1993. At this time, the concept of mixed martial arts was still in its infancy, and so was the UFC belt. It holds a very simple design, with a large gold plate and a basic black leather strap. This prominently displays the words, "Ultimate Fighting Champion." In 2019, the UFC unveiled the Legacy Belt, a completely new design to reflect the organization's global reach and modern stature. From its beginnings to the global phenomenon it's known as today, the UFC belt has definitely evolved alongside the sport of mixed martial arts itself. Each design and change reflects a new chapter in the organization's history. I hope that this video has been informative and enjoyable. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and keep an eye out for more. Thanks so much.